Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPCE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but in order to build some context here, quite the impressive bounce today. When you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was all the way down there, but by the closing bell, the price was able to fight its way back upwards. Don't get me wrong, there's still a lot more work that needs to be done, but my point here is that was a nice little bounce, so that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at $15.35. Why is $15.35 important? And I'm not saying that at all that this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to that area, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal point of view, that would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that area of the chart where it was when it was flirting with those lows. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. On the flip side of thing, though, because no price can go straight up. So if the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to go back up, now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that low down there. If you envision each one of those as stair-steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair-steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, again, quote-unquote progress being defined as right there around $15.35. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, next key level to watch moving forward, going to be right up there at the $16.50 mark. And then after $16.50, you're also going to watch just the overarching level, which is that purple line up there, which on my chart, you know, it's the very well-known, the very famous 50-period moving average. So keep an eye on that too. But one hurdle at a time, that first hurdle at $16.50. But all in all, nice bounce. Let's see if the bulls can build upon it next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.